Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Alchemy Pay, or ACH. And guys, I truly want to discuss to you guys about how big ACH actually is going to become, because this one is very special in my opinion, because this is one of the many undervalued assets that are in the space, but it's probably one of the only ones that are already on Coinbase that is extremely undervalued. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and before we fully jump on into this video, I just want to ask if you guys could please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely. You guys have no idea how much it does truly help. It only takes 2 seconds, and I do greatly appreciate it. So let's just jump in and let's talk about ACH. So first off, to understand what Alchemy Pay truly is going to become, you got to understand why it's so undervalued. So currently sitting at about a $207.6 million market cap. I've discussed this asset multiple times in the past. Yes, it is in a solid downward pressure slope, especially if you did buy up here at about like 6.5 cents or so. But overall, I believe that we are at near bottoming points. We're going to be talking about that here in a second. But overall, in terms of the holders tab, we are seeing a little bit of some, declining, but also some accumulation happening as well. Yet again, you can pretty much see on the 3-month span, a lot of individuals have been loading up on ACH, especially for a little bit of time now. In terms of, I want to say, the markets overall that you can pretty much buy this on, the exchanges, you can pretty much see that it is on Huobi, it's on Coinbase, it's on Gate.io. It's on a few big exchanges, and it just got listed actually on yet another exchange. We're going to be talking about that. I could actually show you. So it actually got listed on who.com. Now, this is actually a 100 and almost 5K exchange. So this is actually a fairly large exchange that just recently listed it. It's continuing to get listed, but not a lot of people are realizing how big this is actually going to become, and there's been a lot of updates within the space for it. Now, I do want to discuss to you guys a little bit about the price. So we are in a strong decline on the RSI as well as on the price range itself, and we actually see that the RSI is actually almost at the bottoming stage at almost 30, where it was during this point back in October, where it pretty much hit this low of about like 4 some cents. It was almost a 786 retest of about 4 cents, almost exact. We do see that it is riding the 702 level right now. Currently, I'm hoping for that to hold until it does break out of the 618. And we do see, the clear resistance up there at about the 382 fib level. I suspect that this could open up a ton of doors for a lot of individuals that do want to get a 10 plus X return on an asset. I think ACH is a perfect asset for that. And let's just jump in and let's talk about why I suspect it is. Now, I'm not telling you guys that this is going to just do a 10x out of nowhere. No, I think that there's still a lot of things to really kind of be built. We do know that the all-time high is up here at about like almost 24 cents. Now, currently, right now, they are hiring. This goes back 3 days ago. They are expanding their international team. Now, the best thing about this is that I do suspect that there's going to be a lot of marketing coming very soon. We do see here the media manager, responsible for PR and branding, building relationships with our media partners and industry influencers as well. Now, of course, I just want to clarify, I am not being paid at all to talk about this project. I just want to give you guys that transparency. I do not get paid to show projects. I never take any sort of brand deal like that either. I want to talk to you guys about things that I'm personally invested in as well. And I'm not, utilizing anything out of this either. I'm just telling you guys a project that I do believe that has a ton of upside potential. Now, we do see that they are hiring a social media manager as well. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of marketing happening. They are actually hiring a graphic designer and stuff like that as well, global ambassadors, and of course, this is going to get very interesting very fast. I suspect that there's going to be a lot of updates, especially within the marketing side of things, which again, I think that this is going to provide a ton of value because I do think that they need to market it a little bit better, to be honest with you guys. And let's just talk about some updates. So first off, we do here, soon you'll be able to buy NFTs from Shopify via Alchemy Pay. Don't forget, we are also going to be providing services to the 4,000 plus dApps via the Polygon partnership. And this is actually going to get very interesting. We do see here Shopify and other networks. Alchemy Pay currently handles 5 million daily transactions, primarily from Asia and Europe. A greater volume of transactions in the United States is expected after Shopify completes integration with Polygon by the end of 2021. And of course, if you guys did miss it from Blockworks themselves, just in, Shopify is launching an NFT beta program that will allow creators to mint and sell NFTs. And ACH is going to be huge in this Shopify partnership, and it truly is going to become massive. Now, I just want you guys to understand, you probably are wondering, well, is ACH even, within this? Are they included? Are they, a big key component here? And just so you guys know, yes, they are. As we do see here, US-based plus merchants, beta is open to them. And of course, we do see here, a greater volume of transactions in the United States is expected after Shopify completes integration with Polygon by the end of the 2021 period. And of course, we do see here, Sell Your Way, crypto payment gateways. This is accepting payment using Shopify payments, Shop Pay, crypto payment gateways, credit/debit cards, and more. And we do know that ACH is a credit or a crypto payment gateway overall. I suspect that ACH is playing a huge role within this. Now we do see here what altcoin will go 10x in January. ACH said it themselves, right? We do see here, based on Alchemy Pay's market leadership and peer valuations, Alchemy Pay's market cap has the potential to increase up to tenfold in the near future. Now, of course, this is from Alchemy Pay themselves. This goes back to November 24th, by the way. We could actually go and see November 24th where we were in terms of the price. So here is the 24th. We were at around like 8 cents, 9 cents or so. So are we expecting at least $1 from this? I mean, it is possible, but of course, Alchemy Pay needs to tell you guys sort of anything. I mean, they are marketing this asset, so would I believe that this is going to do a 10x out of absolutely nowhere? No, but I do think that there's a ton of updates to look forward to that could possibly really boost the price of ACH. This is a huge ecosystem that is supporting over 200 fiat currencies in over 65 countries. And of course, you can pretty much read more about this and look more into the ecosystem. I've talked about this before and commented on it. I think that Alchemy Pay is truly building a massive ecosystem. And of course, when we look back on some updates from this year alone, Alchemy Pay, Bella Protocol collaborate to launch CeFi and DeFi yield protocol or products. Overall, I think that this could get very interesting in terms of DeFi and even centralized finance. There's a lot of use cases within these, but also I do believe that when we're talking about what's going to come from both of these being pretty much bridged, I think that that's going to be very interesting. We even see here, efficient fiat on-ramps as well are going to become a huge thing, and this is slower market adoption and lessen the utilization of managed digital assets in terms of not having a product that connects these two or pretty much bridges them. And that's where Alchemy Pay does make a huge step into this market. We even see here, although CeFi and DeFi products such as cryptocurrency lending and yield farming offer significantly higher returns compared to traditional financial products, these products are currently not utilized by those outside of the cryptocurrency industry. That's why I think that this is going to be perfect for those individuals to kind of be, filling the gaps, if you will, and bridging those two to really kind of connect with these. I think that that's going to be great, and I think that this is going to be incredible, especially long term. We even see here, right? As part of the partnership, Bella Protocol will join Alchemy Pay as a founding member of the Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance that comprises a growing list of blockchain industry leaders, including cryptocurrency exchanges, stablecoin issuers, and DeFi platforms. The alliance will promote and drive the growth and advancement of the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. More information on this, you can pretty much find it here if you guys wanted to check this out. This is from BIA.network, by the way. I'm not going to go here, but of course, like I said, if you guys want to learn more about that, you guys are more than welcome to. But in terms of everything that is happening with these major partnerships, I do believe that a lot of this is going to really be the bridge that kind of connects these two markets together. But also, Alchemy Pay is truly enabling a ton of global payments for a lot of assets that are in this space as well, including NEO. Like I said, this global hybrid crypto fiat gateway is truly going to become something special. And that's why I do think that, and this link, I don't know why this isn't available. It used to be. But this is just from the Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance. I think that their website may be changed, but I do remember checking it out recently, and it's pretty much the same sort of ecosystem, which is here. This is pretty much it. By the way, if you guys did want to check this out, pretty much it's a massive ecosystem. But overall, when we're talking about this, right, it's going to connect Neo itself to many other, merchants, including, e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Arcadia, which of course, when we're talking about Shopify alone, we are seeing a ton of adoption happening for Shopify in terms of the e-commerce space. I use Shopify on a day-to-day basis. But again, this is just one of the many updates to look forward to, because we even look back here as Amazon takes on Visa, does cryptocurrency offer the real alternative? And let's just go to find Alchemy in here. And here we go, cryptocurrency payment solutions are already here. We even see here, while the report pointed to well-known projects such as Stellar and Ripple, which cater to large institutions for cross-border transactions, it also observed what Alchemy Pay is offering to online and in-store retailers. It allows merchants to accept cryptocurrency while receiving payment in their local fiat currency via its unique back-end process. The network takes crypto and converts it to stablecoins and then onto fiat via partnerships with OTCs and other exchanges. This overcomes a major barrier to entry by requiring very little from merchants and integrating crypto and fiat currency for them. That's exactly what I think it really needs to pretty much be brought in for these merchants and these major solutions for retail individuals as well, to really kind of utilize crypto very easy. And that's exactly why I think that the value of ACH is severely undervalued at these current levels. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous that it's still at these levels, and I suspect that there's going to be a lot more listings available for Alchemy Pay. We know that it's directly connected to Binance and major other exchanges, so I think it's only a matter of time before these other exchanges really kind of catch on. We know what happened with a Coinbase listing, just so you guys know. If you guys want to check out what happened with a Coinbase listing, here you guys have it, right? It skyrocketed in value to the all-time high of like almost 24 cents, as you guys did see on TradingView. And like I said, in terms of, where we are currently now, we are continuing to build out this massive ecosystem. Of course, I am waiting for our official bottom to be in. I suspect that there could be a little bit more turmoil in store for ACH to really kind of come down to the 702 level and possibly even test those lows going all the way back to October 26th and 27th. So just play with caution if you guys do want to enter in. It could go a little bit lower, but I do believe that the future for Alchemy Pay is truly massive, and I'm very excited for it nonetheless. There is so much to look forward to. I've talked to you guys about some updates with Visa and stuff like that that are going to be happening in the new year. If you guys do want to check out my other videos on that, you guys are more than welcome to. So with that in mind, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are. And this beautiful world, this has been Nick. Peace out, guys.